ACM stands for Advanced Cylinder Management. It is a way for us to accurately and confidently track our cylinders via barcoding.
Every time you hear that beep, it's putting it in the system.
We barcode our cylinders at every step of the process, so before they go onto our fill line, they get barcoded. When they come off the fill line, they're barcoded full. Then they get barcoded into a nesting area where they sit to be weighted, to be deployed to a customer. They're barcoded onto our truck, barcoded off of our truck.
So how that benefits the clients is there's a bunch of systems of checks and balances in line.
It's beneficial to the clients because they can guarantee with perfect accuracy what inventory they have on hand, what they've been billed for actually matches what they received.
One of the most common complaints that we get from prospective customers are customers who are being charged for cylinders they don't even have. This tool in itself helps resolve that issue because our barcoded cylinders will tell us exactly where that cylinder is at all times.
If I was a customer, I'd want to have it so that I know what cylinders are at my facility so that I know I'm paying my correct bill. You're paying for 43 cylinders, you're going to have 43 cylinders on site.
So it basically stops errors before they happen.
For somebody that knows nothing about ACM, it's hands down the best tool we have in the industry right now.